Iqbal. I study in 4th standard Fatima Convent School.
Arshil started his training on 25th of April and gave this sample on the very first day. You can see problems in the shapes, slant, connectivity, etc. This is his result after just 15 days. You can see the improvement in 4 line. And this is his final result in single line, that is paragraph writing and speed improvement. Contact for handwriting improvement JS Sony 8320150220. You can do this course online. The app link is given in the description. જો તમારે પણ અર્શિલની જેમ અપ્રિશિએબલ હેન્ડરાઇટિંગ શીખવા હોય તો અત્યારે જ કોલ કરો JS Sony 8320150220. થેન્ક યુ.